Hi YouTube, I just bought a 125cc dirt bike from my friend the other day. It was really dirty, so I didn't make a video, but I just cleaned it up, so I'm just going to do a walk around. All I need is a front tube for the front tire, which I took off and I cleaned out. But yeah, I'll do a walk around. And there it is. 125cc pit hog dirt bike, 4 gears, all up. And yeah, purchase it on Saturday for a good price. Probably have some videos after I put the tube in. So please like, subscribe, and share, and yeah, that's it. A little update for you guys.